Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we got a sneaker review and unboxing on SALOMON XT-4 ADVANCED. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the SALOMON XT-4 ADVANCED. We've got these in the evening blue Nimbus Cloud Lavender colorway. To me they look more tie-dye, but we'll show you when we do the unboxing. The sizing, so we've got this in the UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's a US men's size 8.5. Now we have done some SALOMONs in the past. If you ever wanted to know anything about, in my opinion, one of the best hiking, mountaineer, fashion gore, if that makes any sense, that kind of aesthetic, check our reviews out. I did thoroughly like the XT6 that we have done. The XT4 is just its baby brother's version, I'd say. So we get unboxing, and here we go. Look at these. In my opinion, SALOMON do the best trail runners, and I was really surprised. For me, it's one of the brands to watch for the upcoming future. I mean, they've been around for years, since 2001, but just them getting their flowers this year and last year. I've been seeing loads of fashion bloggers wear these. The full-size run host, Matthew Welty from Complex, he's added these in his picks of 2021, and to be honest guys, I'm sure to put these on mine as well. With all that said, let's get into the review. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. It has the Contra Grip outsole. You can see the little logo that's there in the middle. You got an aggressive lug, traction patterning around as well. Obviously that's there to maximize the traction. This is, at the end of the day, a trail running sneaker. Looking at the midsole, so this midsole, it is a foam, you can see it here. It is reinforced with the plastics from that's coming down towards here at the end by the heel, and it is supported with the Agile chassis system. I hope I pronounced that correctly, but that is essentially to give you a more cushioned ride instead for your support as well. Moving along onto the upper, so the whole upper is essentially a mesh. So if you look around here as well, it's in this beautiful tie-dye colorways, but on the box it says it's evening blue. To me, and if you look closely, it looks more tie-dye. It's coated in a TPU film. You can see it around here, it's heat pressed. You can see it on the medial sides too. And at the toe box, where it is printed SALOMON Lab at the toes. You've got more protection, more rugged plastics on the toes. That's obviously there to prevent any abrasion. Overall, the mesh of these XT4s are an abrasion resistant mesh, ready for any terrain, as these trail runners are these days. Got a nicely padded tongue with the XT Lab logo that's there. Quick lace system, so you've essentially got this toggle, pull it up just to get your feet in and pull it down. And I'm gonna, usually I just tuck it underneath to make sure that it doesn't float around and get in my way. That's how I usually wear them. Looking at the back as well, so you've got more of that TPU film here. At the heel, you got the SALOMON logo, kind of reinforced too as well with this plastic there. On the insole, you got an awful light insole, SALOMON logo. Going back to the tongue, nicely padded, SALOMON logos as well. And that rounds it off. So unfortunately, on the SALOMON website, it said that these sneakers aren't waterproof. They are water resistant, but I wouldn't go proper running in the heavy rain with these on. Unfortunately, the XT6, we rave about those so much. Those are the waterproof ones. So if you are able to get a pair, or if you're interested in a waterproof pair of SALOMONs, I recommend those XT6s. So check out the review that we've done in the past. But for these are my new everydays. I'm going to wear them all next year. So What if you're watching this prior to 2022? I will be wearing these in the year 2022. I love the colors. I love that these sneakers, these trail runners, we've done tons. If you haven't noticed, we've done loads of reviews for these hikers, these trail running sneakers. And that's because I'm seeing them loads on loads of blogs, loads of influencers are wearing them. I'm jumping on this trend. However, you may call me late to this trend. I don't care. I think these very functional sneakers as well. It's very under the radar. You don't see loads of people wear Salomons. You don't see your everyday Joe wearing Salomons. That's what I meant when I mean under the radar. But you're seeing the most influential of stylists or influencers. They are jumping on this bandwagon here. But anyways, with all that said, I can't wait to try these on, show you how these look. I am wearing today a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers, if you're wondering. So roll that footage on me wearing these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, there is a bit of space here. I'm not going to lie to you, but I feel like if I was to get a half size down, it'll be way too tight. My ankle isn't, my heel isn't slipping though, so it does fit. And my toes are here near the end. Just feels a bit spacious around the sides of my feet. But other than that, these are really comfortable. I love the colors. It stands out very much. And I think these are going to be my everydays for the next couple of years or so. This is probably what, if you see them on the streets, I'm probably going to be wearing these. Highly recommend them, guys. If you're looking for an under the radar brand, not Nike, not Adi, but you're looking for something a bit more fashion forward, I do recommend some Salomons. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.